Bram is disconnecting his Wii U.
Nee.
And here's my
I'll
Wii
do
U.
it. I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it.
We want to see if this my Wii U works before we spend over 100 euros on it. Dit is een bar.
Dat is niet zo heel erg nodig eigenlijk. Doe we gewoon alleen. I'll just do the power cable.
I was already wondering, where was my fork?
There's a disc inside.
I knew.
Okay, let's.
But it needs to have a gamepad connected, huh? It needs to have a gamepad connected for it to work.
Yeah.
So, it's got Xenoblade Chronicles X in my Wii U.
What the
free
hell?
Game?
Free.
I've got a free game.
Yeah, now I can keep. Nee.
Now we just have to pair it.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we just have to pair the gamepad.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it with this thing. Oh, it just works.
Yeah, that's the Famicom thing or not?
And there's another users.
Press the sync button on the controller you wish to pair. Press the sync button on the console again. Okay.
Patalien. Hij is even aan het zinken. Hij is naar de bodem.
It's set in English too, my Wii U. That's incredible. I bought it in the Netherlands and it's set to English.
Bro, what a Sigma.
It's doing the thing. Paired.
Wow.
It's working.
Oh. Hey, je kan het ook met deze doen, hè?
Yeah. What? How?
Everybody knows that, man.
Well, I didn't. I thought it needed IR thingies to work.
Let's go use M.
We're in.
Hey, it has downloaded content. It has Platoon. What the hell?
Let's see. Start. No way! I've got Mario Kart 8 on my Wii U.
Platoon.
We can play Mario Kart 8 already on my Wii U.
Let's see how good bro was with the cups. My disc version has version 4.2 and this one has 4.1.
Remember, this thing has been updated in a while, so yeah, that's why. I've collected 50 coins already. I haven't even turned this thing on in my house. I was not even able. Okay, my friend is gonna play the Wii U, although I really wanted to play my Wii U.
Bro, they didn't even play it.
What? They didn't even play? What? How? So, like, what?
Then there's no point of playing it now. Should we try Splatoon now?
Not really yet. I want to play, really. Can you film the screen then?
Yeah. I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course on 200. Ja, ze hebben al een motor gedaan.
I already have like power-ups on this thing. What the heck? Let's play some Mario Kart on my Wii U then.
They doesn't also have unlocked all the cups. What the hell?
Yeah, and the DLCs. By the way, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe had the DLCs in the Switch version, but now they've added DLCs again. I don't understand, but let's just play the first cup.
And pause the recording. Okay, Patalien.
Alright, we're playing.
Press any button now.
Yeah. This is my first Wii U experience, guys. I've never played on the Wii U ever before. It has rumble the gamepad. What the heck?
Didn't you see the trailers of it?
No, I did. I didn't know it had rumble. This is actually neat. This is actually cool.
But in the trailers they said there's rumble.
Yeah, but I haven't really seen the rumble. But this is perfect. I'm playing on my own console at my friend's house. And it works perfectly.
Yeah, I have a GameCube. A quick flex on that.
I think it's actually set at 480p. I'll just finish this race and fix it later, and then we'll check out the Mii's. Because I think it's actually set on the wrong resolution.
Is that your...
No, I mean the Wii U console itself.
Oh.
Maybe 720p or 480 or something.
Oh yeah, I think I see.
I'm so happy my Wii U works. It actually booted up really quickly. Because I've heard that some Wii U's took a really long time to boot. I load things. But I wasn't expecting a Xenoblade Chronicles X in my Wii U.
How do you know the name already? It's just you just found it. How do you know the name?
I don't know. I just looked at the disc, right? Like I wasn't expecting it. I've won. This is the gamepad screen, by the way. But I'm gonna just real quick take a look on the system settings to see how it's set up.
Yeah. Okay, now he's going to look at...
Does my friend's gamepad actually have the stylus? No.
Nah, it doesn't.
Wait, there's a... Oh, this is an analog volume control. Let's just put it in the maximum.
I think the Wii U really looks like a 3DS, because in Mario Kart you have this screen. This screen looks a lot like how it's shown on the 3DS, and yeah, it also has a stylus and a volume slider, so that's kind of sus, you know.
Hold on, actually, let me get out my 3DS stylus. Hold on, and maybe I can control it better. Actually load up pretty quickly this Wii U. Some Wii U's are really slow. Look, okay, I'm now gonna take a look at the television settings. Select the TV connection type. 720p. Let's set it to 1080.
Yeah.
Okay, setting resolution. That's much better. It's now at 1080p. Set resolution to 1080p.
Why did they put it on 720?
Like you can set the screen size. Let me just check if the overscan is correct. Maybe the previous owners were using the same model of TV because the overscan settings look optimum by how they were set previously. I cannot get it perfect, but this is pretty good. So I guess they were using the same model of TV as now. But I have to connect it to the Wi-Fi though to update the system software for if I want to mod it. Internet settings is restricted by parental controls. Oh, I'm gonna have to bust out my Sony XA2 for this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, but what I'll do, wat ik gewoon ga doen, is namelijk nu datzelfde doen wat ik met verschillende DS heb gedaan. Wii U, it's got Wii U support. Wii U, let's see, 5.0.0 to 5.5.5. Device ID. Okay.
Why is bro so fast? Chill.
Because ik ga namelijk even de wachtwoord resetten namelijk.
Ah, filming again.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see, where is that set up? Should be in here somewhere. This is my first Wii U experience, so I'll have to learn to navigate this around. That's the Wii U gamepad settings, I think. It's got surround sound though. So configure the automatic. Let's check the Wii U settings. I know you can set the thingy somewhere. Parental control. But I just don't know where. It's just a bit of searching, but I have to figure out where I can do that. Hold up. Let me just look it up. Parental.
Ooh. His service laptop.
No.
Wait, why? Why? It's so. I found it so interesting. I found it so interesting.
Okay. So now I can hopefully reset the password if I enter the parental controls thingy. Yeah, look, inquiry number. But I'll have to check the date and time first on this thing because maybe the CMOS batch is dead. So I forgot to check the date and forgot to check the date. Okay, this loading. It's about as fast as my 3DS though. 1805.
It looks about as fast as my Wii U.
It's still keeping track of the time pretty well. So
Wow.
that's good. But 18th of May. So
Oh my god.
So that's good. Let's just go back. Go back to here. Oh. Let's see. 94199. There we go.
Yes.
We've removed parental
Let's
control.
go.
Back in the day, this wasn't really possible. But nowadays, it's just so easy. So now I should be able to connect it to the internet to perform an update, right?
Yeah.
I'll
I
turn on the
guess.
hotspot on my Sony Xperia to download over the 4G.
You can use my Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay.
That's fine.
Okay. Connect to the internet.
Yes.
Because before minding his business, he's entering the password. I'm not showing the screen because I'm just showing the bottom of the gamepad. See on the TV? He's entering the Wi-Fi. But it only shows a tutorial, obviously. There's no Wii remote connected. Oh! He may be connecting now. Testing connection.
Yes.
This looks very similar to the one used in the Switch.
Yeah, of course. And on the 3DS.
Well, the 3DS is a little bit different.
Yeah.
But this is actually like, what they now say is this is actually, was supposed to be Nintendo's best console, really.
Yeah, 9. Ah!
But
Patapin.
But it was just a fail. Oh, error details will now be displayed. Let me see the error details.
I think I'm going to re-enter the passcode.
Cannot find an available network. Seriously?
Bro.
It didn't find a network.
Bro, what the hell, bro?
Well, it just found it.
But I have a wifi versterker. Ik weet niet het Engelse woord, maar...
Wi-Fi. Oh, that may be the problem.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I will just turn on the hotspot of my Sony phone then. And
Maybe I can connect with the router downstairs.
Is that a different network?
No, I don't think so.
Maybe. No, just try one more time. Try one more time, and then I'll try my hotspot.
Okay. And just in games.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I have to spend a little bit more money because it don't fit. It don't fit. No, I have to spend more money on the chargers for the damn gamepad. Okay, if it doesn't connect, I'll just use my Sony's mobile phone hotspot. In the meantime, you can listen to... Oh!
Patapin!
It's working!
Tralalero, tralala!
He's making brain rot memes.
Oh my god!
Yes! Connection successful. Do you want to set this as the default connection? Of course!
Oh man.
Okay. Wait. I was sitting on my phone. Well, time to update the system software, I guess. Before I mod it.
Let's wait another hour.
And we'll just place the gamepad on the stand real quick. Just so that it keeps charged.
Yeah. Wait. Now it looks extra cool.
Yeah, just like in the ads. After the updates are finished, I'm just gonna peel the sticker off of it, the 50-year sticker. Like, does my friend like have actual RGB LED lights?
Yes.
Okay, after the software. Oh yeah, look, receiving data for the update. Time remaining estimating. Just listen to that beautiful music.
Friso,
Yeah.
can I flex real quick on the video?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just in your style.
Oh my god, man, he's so rich of consoles. Oh my god. Oh my god, and the best part is I found this thing free.
The PlayStation gamepad too.
Yeah,
you can connect this up to the PS5.
The PlayStation
Wii U.
The PlayStation U.
Yes.
But this one is broken. The screen doesn't work.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh what? Wait.
I told you earlier. I told you before. I mean.
Hold on. Let me just turn this thing on.
Yeah, I think it's dead right now.
Let's see. Which connector is it?
Oh, flex. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think I could just use my phone charger for this. This is just
Oh my god. A Game & Watch? Yes, ma'am. A Game & Watch.
Oh, I also have those.
Ooh. Oh my god, man. He's so rich.
In the future.
Oh my god. He has a box. A Wii box. Oh my god. He has Rayman Legends.
What a weird placement for a charging port.
Yeah.
Can I turn it on?
Oh, and here he got also a Game Boy. Yes.
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 In case we wanted to mess
The Game Boy of him.
Or white pack, whatever.
I got a Wii pack for it's unofficial, but they say in the description it still says Wii. Look here, here it still says Wii. Why they don't want a lawsuit? I guess. I think it has to charge first.
I have got my power meter with me, so let me just plug that in
Yeah,
to
but-
confirm that it's taking any charge.
I told you before that I have this broken thing.
Yeah, it's got a broken PlayStation 5 gamepad.
I already told you before, right?
Oh wow, this thing doesn't fit my gun anymore. Wait, this is the charger for a Samsung tablet.
Nee, voor die ene. This goofy looking thing.
What? No, that's... I meant this one.
Oh.
I also have the same charger. Okay, 242 volts.
Oh.
Okay, it's pulling around 16.5 watts, so I think I'll just have to wait.
Oh.
This is my 3DS.
Mini laptop.
Let's see how far the Wii U is with updating.
Bro.
Oh, just under 1 minute remaining. And here's its predecessor.
Oh, it's done. It's done. It's done.
No, it's booting. It's rebooting or something.
It's done.
Listen to that loading sound. Also, this is his Oh god, this is his broken battery thing.
For the
What is this neat thing? Oh wait, no, the rubber has gone sticky on this.
Yeah, sticky stuff.
And if you don't have a Motion Plus inside controller, you can just get this for €2.50 from him. You can still have the sticker on it. Well, I'm just joking, obviously. Oh, it's updating.
Now it's updating. Oh man.
The power down function has been temporarily disabled.
Flip.
Oh, it's actually copying the screens over.
Flip.
But like, he's got some pretty. What the? Why is this tablet look so fancy in the speakers? What is this thing? I don't know. Wonderful. Oh, it's a Chinese tablet, lol. It's a Chinese tablet.
Yeah, it has Android 11. Pretty good. Pretty
Yeah,
famous.
but what if it breaks and we can't? I just realized he has 2 different sensor bars. So whoa, this one's stuck on the telly. And let me just. Oh, he put some sticky things on it. Okay, just put that in the middle.
Kijk, hij doet het gewoon. It just works.
Yeah, look at that. He's got a Chinese tablet. Like, this is a true Chinese tablet. You can see because it's got this dimensional app on it that changes the screen orientation and makes the tablet go black. Oh, you can see him in a reflection. It's so glossy.
It has a screen protector on it.
Oh, I think it's maybe the screen protector reflecting. Oh, 10. Oh, it's just a Brawl Stars mod. I thought there was something special on it.
Nah, bro. It's just Brawl Star.
Oh, it's just Brawl Stars. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, I can play as the boss in Brawl Stars. Oh god, I can play as the boss in the Brawl Stars. Oh man, how do you get it? Show me something. Show me how to download it. Show me, please.
The update is complete. Please check the Wii U gamepad screen. The Wii U, the console will now restart. Okay, let's just let it boot up. Let it boot up. Well, this signifies that I now know what to buy for my Wii U. Because, where's the damn freaking stick thing?
What stick thing?
You know what?
How much RAM does this tablet have?
I have no idea. I can install either 64 to check the specs of it. Okay.
Why is the Chinese tablet bad?
Not all Chinese tablets are bad, but
because of the Temu radio tablet.
Oh, you're sitting on my stylus.
Stylus?
Yeah, just stand up because you're sitting on my stylus.
It's a little bit spiky. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Start as this user. Let's just get the gamepad. I'm also gonna buy the stand for it then. This is nice.
Let's do MMM. Why is this character?
Which one? It's still got the Nintendo Networks ID on it? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh well, just do the non-linked one. What you had just last time.
How do you turn this? Oh yeah.
But we gotta test the Wii functionality. We gotta test the DVD. It thinks there's a disconnect, but there isn't because it's got this eject thing.
Hey, it says surface.
But we have to pair a Wii controller first. Let's just do that.
You have to.
But I do love this dialogue that comes.
I have one.
Look, it does show the dialogue. I like that idea.
Hey, this one is already.
Oh, huh? This one's already paired to what?
Oh no, the wrong one. I thought
Oh, you're gonna give me the counterfeit one. No, now it's in the pairing mode.
Ah, what jammer. How sad.
Oh, wait, yeah, can just do that.
Yeah, I can't just do that.
Yeah, okay. No, okay.
Pear.
Pear.
I want a pear as a fruit. Where's my pear? I want a fruit.
Oh, pairing complete. Pairing complete.
I want a fruity. I don't see.
Wait, why is it not connecting?
Oh,
yes!
my new sensor bar.
But no, wait. The sensor bar is connected. Hold up. Let me just check with the camera which one it is. Oh, none of them are working.
So,
yes, this one works.
I did it. I just plugged it in, right?
Okay. Let's just get my friend's Wii U out of the way real quick. He turned on my Microsoft Surface, which is gonna be used to mod his.
It says surface.
Look at that. He's pointing with the Wii remote on it. Look at that. Okay, well, let me just boot into Wii mode real quick. On the gamepad,
yeah, let's just do it.
You will be now transferred to the Wii menu. You will need a Wii remote and... No, let me...
Oh, okay.
Let me...
Okay.
No.
Link later.
Point the Wii remote... Do TV and gamepad, Okay. Press... Okay, when using the... Okay. Okay, we'll put it on the stand thingy, yeah?
Yeah, but it's in the charger then.
Okay, let's just get these cables out of the way. Now we'll put it on the stand thingy. Okay, it's on the stand thingy.
Oh, let's go. Let's put in Mario Kart Wii.
Let's see if we can play Wii games on a Wii U. This is his favorite game, by the way. He has it in his voicemail.
Oh.
I just heard like Wii disc drive mode. No? Oh, like warning health and safety. Oh, like, wait, look at that. You can see the RR thingies. You can actually point it at the gamepad. Hold up, let me just put it on his bed and point at it. Wait, may I get the Wii remote?
Yeah, I got it.
Why is it taking so long to get to the Wii menu, though?
Maybe it's bricked now.
No, it's not bricked. It's not bricked.
Why does it do nothing? Maybe I have to put in a disc. I don't know. Oh man, it doesn't work.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off the tally, so we're gonna play strictly on the thing.
Why doesn't it work?
Let me.
Let you.
Yes, it's working.
I'm gonna put in the disc.
We're playing Wii on a tablet.
But maybe the disc drive.
You can see they've actually removed the GameCube thing because it's not supported. It's a bit too bright for the phone, but
yeah, bit. I hope the disc drive works because then it just
it's very quiet though.
Yeah, it works.
It actually worked. And I think it's actually made by the same manufacturer. Let's just play Mario Kart Wii like this.
Can I have this disc?
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, because
I can just download it.
Yeah,
That's what I'm going for, really. I'm just gonna just get Nusply on it, and it will actually download directly from Nintendo servers. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Free Wii U game, bro.
Yeah, look. Okay,
Ooh, surface.
Look, no, just.
I want to see the surface.
Yeah.
We are seeking for you. What the hell?
Yeah, hold up. Let me just put the Wii U gamepad on a surface to sit on.
Hey, we misschien...
Je kunt de V-software die bedienen met de Wii U gamepad. Maar wat is de classic controller?
Is dit echt een hele rare stick drift?
Oh wait, what? Oh, what happened? Oh my god, the thing.
It's a counterfeit, man. But plug it in.
Okay, oh well. Okay, we're playing.
It's a really weird...
Can you hold the camera? Can you hold the camera like this?
Yeah.
Okay, we're playing.
It's really... It's putting buttons off itself.
Wait, you can... Oh wait, yeah, you cannot plug a GameCube controller in a thingy. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't work. That is what I had. It doesn't...
Oh, man.
It doesn't work on the thing, on the damn...
Oh, well. I will just ask him to take it to Tuesday to the thingy I always go to. And I'll just take apart this controller because something is broken.
But I showed you this before and then you said you could do nothing. What?
Yeah, I can try, but it is not. Do you have another classic controller?
No,
I think this is actually a counterfeit.
Yeah, it is counterfeit. It doesn't say Wii on it, but I have...
No, you're holding it with my stylus.
Okay, but let's... I have a nunchuck.
Yeah, let's see. You've got, let's see, are there bootlegs in here?
No, it's not bootleg, man.
I'm just gonna look for the bootleg ones. Because I've had a bootleg nunchuck back in the day and it broke almost immediately. This one, they all are legit.
I think one
He
doesn't...
actually has legit thingies. I'm just gonna get the black one, matching the remote. And the Wii, oh god, no, not this Poppy Playtime hand.
The Poppy Playtime grab pack, man.
Alright.
Press a freaking button.
Okay, can I actually fit the new 3DS stylus in the Wii U?
No.
Oh well, I can just do it this. That works much better, haha. Just do, let's see. Oh, there aren't any. Oh well, I'll just do player. Yes. The new license has been created. Yeah, okay.
Gay.
No. I can now actually hear it in the piece of quiet. Okay, let's play erase. Let's cards only. Do random. Random. Okay, Luigi. Okay, random. Okay.
Manual, man. Manual's better.
Yeah, I know.
Just like Messi and Ronaldo.
I'm not really used to the controls of Mario Kart Wii because I haven't had it for so long. But we're doing a good thing. I just love the lights at the top and the camera. I can't actually see it in real life. Yeah, that's how you drift, okay. Yeah. I'm a little more used to the drift with Mario Kart games. See, I'm playing Mario Kart Wii on a tablet. On a sort of tablet. Okay, but now I know what parts... No, leave it in. It's funny like this.
On the surface.
Also, this is also the guy that made the phone echo. Go watch the video if you haven't.
Bro.
And I'll also link to his channel in the description.
Or in the title.
Also, on a 4x3 television, Wii U games don't support 4x3, so just you put black bars on the screen if you have a CRT. Look, I'm still first place, even though I was doing terribly in the beginning. Oh god, I got a power fan.
Last final round.
Yeah.
Bro's concentrated as hell.
But it's kind of sad that you can't really use the gamepad as a classic controller.
Yeah, it's really sad. But
Yeah.
maybe if you mod it, maybe people have you make mods for that.
I don't know, but I maybe should I mod your Wii first or mine? Should I mod your Wii U first or my Wii U?
I don't know.
I'll just check your Wii U's back ports to see if it's got a high likelihood that it has a Hynix chip. Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's got a high likelihood that this thing's got one of the unstable NAND. So I'll mod this one first and take a backup of it.
Ah.
So his Wii U is more likely to brick than my Wii U.
But it still has a seal.
Well, that seal doesn't mean nothing. The NAND itself will fail over time. It will be really slow at first, and then all of a sudden it won't boot up anymore. So, and there are kits to get it going again if it bricks, if you have backup. So it's really handy to back it up. So let's just like Okay, well it's kind of sad that it can't play Mario Kart Wii like this. Yeah, it doesn't let you. It just doesn't let you. It's kind of sad. Also, this thing uses an obfuscated version of 802.11n at 5 GHz. So if you have got specific wireless corners, but holy shit, hij staat hier opnemen?
Yeah.
This disc feels really nice. So what if I put in a Wii U disc in Wii mode? I'll have to see. Okay, home. Oh, you cannot do the Wii home menu with the thing. Okay, just point it at the Wii thing. Okay, Wii menu. Okay, I want to see what happens when you put a Wii U disc in the Wii U in Wii mode, in VWii.
Wii.
Okay, where's my phone? Where's my phone?
It has to inject the disc.
It's very oh, the loading mechanism sounds exactly the same. It's like this come from the same manufacturer or
Okay,
something.
this is the Wii U game, the XXX game. Oh, wait, what? What the hell, bro? What the hell?
That's not an X. Let's see what happens. Will it read? It won't read. Oh well, let's just switch back over to Wii U mode. So let's turn on the Sony Bravia. Let's listen to that beautiful startup sound of the TV. If it even has any.
My TV doesn't have a starting sound.
It's an early unit. Ah, dang it. Okay. Can I like point at the TV screen for this?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, the sensor bar position was off all this time. Oh, I just realized. Oh yeah, there are no settings. Let's just. Type C to HDMI.
Yeah, I tried this once on my tablet, but my tablet doesn't give us a video signal.
Oh, I'm gonna have to try it on my Sony phone so bad.
Oh, ban, man. We have to ban him. We have to do it with the Sony Xperia ban.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not recording anything, so it's good.
Hey, just ban him out of the chat. Here.
Oh. Okay. Well, is there any loose HDMI cable I can use for this?
Yeah, I can just put the Wii U out because all my.
No, not yet. Okay, we're gonna use the Wii remote this time to control the damn thing. Can I use it? Oh, I can't do it on there. Okay.
But you can use the Wii.
Look, it's got a great thing. Okay. Look, I've got like this is actually the Mi Plaza here. This is actually very neat. If Miiverse still worked, which I am gonna fix later. But I'm gonna first off mod his Wii U because his Wii U has a more highly likelihood to brick. So first of all, let's just check out the Miis. Let's see how many Miis they made.
You saw it in the plaza, right?
Yeah, but no, those are all random. But just really want to see the real Miis on here.
Sassy baka.
Fancy loading animation.
Sassy baka.
Oh, we have to use the gamepad. Okay, let's just use the gamepad.
Ooh, GameCube flex. Ooh.
Yeah. Okay. Select me. Let's see what Miis they have. Oh, they've got the many Miis and these two X's. Tiddy, Chara, Golden Ink, Mori, Anna, and Chara Tertiary. Dina with three.
Nani?
I don't know.
No.
Maybe this thing actually came from a different country. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, I just don't know. But it's a bit sad that
it is PAL.
Yeah. Also, he has a bootleg for freaking memory card for his thing. He has got many Chinese stuff too. All right. But like now this is here on the thingy, so let's just go back here. But let's just take a look at the Nintendo eShop. Does it still work?
Yeah, it's just like the same on the 3DS.
Oh.
It's you can try it on my Wii U
Activity log. Let's check the daily log. I'm not gonna log into anybody other's account just in case.
No, it's not like that. It's just how long you played.
Yeah, let's see how someone else's logs. Oh wait,
bro.
Wait, what? Oh, you can check everybody. Hold up. Let's just switch this. Oh.
But who's the me that's most likely to play the Wii U?
I don't know, but it's been years probably since this thing has been turned on. Okay. I'll just do it. Oh, there we go. Oh,
wait.
Wait, hold up. Wait. At least 1 year ago. Hold up.
Hey, ik zag er wat. Ik zal wat van.
Oh, I know how this works. Oh, he played Xenoblade Chronicles X. Let's just check. Okay, that's what we played. Let's just go back a bit. Oh, he played Splatoon, Mario Kart 8, and Xenoblade Chronicles X. He played Splatoon and Internet Browser.
It's actually pretty good that it's in English because of your videos.
Yeah, it's
whoa, it hasn't played a lot.
This is actually kind of neat. Like, hold up, like, yeah, this thing has been used a bit, but yeah, I'll have to go over to my friend's Wii U to be able to mod it and back up the NAND if possible. He is now connecting his Wii U.
Filming again.
Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna pair up his gamepad. Okay, let's see what it does.
With the HDMI cord.
What? You're just using a freaking adapter thing. Like, this is actually like a neat system, though. Like, I really like it. You gotta wait for it to finish booting.
Oh wait.
Wait. Why did it actually boot without the game?
What?
Wait. I just gotta try this. Oh, it's saying loading.
Een momentje geduld. It's in Dutch, by the way.
Yeah, he actually said it's the. Wait, what?
This is my me.
Oh, he didn't set up the overscan.
What the hell, bro?
Wait, so it actually is working without the gamepad this time.
Just so you actually kan. Je hebt je eigenlijk.
Oh, it cannot connect to the Wii U.
Maar dus eigenlijk heb je die van de kringloop een beetje opgelicht.
Nee, but many Wii U gamepads don't work. Really? But some.
Er kan geen verbinding worden gemaakt met het Wii U systeem. Oh, dat doe ik wel even.
Oh, what is this? What is this sensor bar working for? This sensor bar is not working correctly.
Oh,
no. Let me just first try something. Come on. Let me point. Oh god. No. Oops. Sorry. Let me.
You have to keep a little.
Okay. There we go.
But
Yeah. Wait. No. Let me first. Wait. Oh, hold on. This is strange because this shouldn't have worked as far as I know online. Because Wii U's are actually useless without the gamepad. Well, that's strange. Because Wii U's normally don't work without.
Before you play it, can you please first play?
I want first to see if this works.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what? It needs to.
Why needs it update?
What? Did you never update your Wii U?
Yes, I did, but maybe it's because of the game.
Oh, oops! It was still filming all this time.
Ah, shit.
Okay, well, let's just wait. Yeah, just turn off the game.
Oh, laten we naar de Wii menu gaan.
I can just do that. I think it's just okay. I think it's just downloading an update for the game. Let's see. Yeah, this is. Why is my camera out of focus?
Because it was white and then it was black again. Black.
What? Oh, okay, now it's normal. Okay. What? This is strange.
I really didn't connect it. Here's the proof.
Wait, but the factory reset of Wii U actually doesn't work without the gamepad. I think.
That's true, man. That's true.
I don't know. I have no idea why this is absolutely working. Normally the gamepad and the.
I saw a video of someone that put Steam Deck software on his Wii U.
This is the first error I get for this. What the hell?
So you can't play this game at all.
Oh wait, this is not supported by. It's actually not connecting. Oh, okay. Well, let's just pair up the thingy.
Yeah, but what happens when you do okay?
No, I tried.
Oh.
I tried. Okay. First off, let's try entering system settings. Okay, we're powering it on. For some reason, he has Minecraft for the overpriced tablet with overpriced ports.
I have to pair my Wii U gamepad, man.
Yes, but I just want to see, can you open up system settings without the gamepad? Because normally this does not work. Normally this does not work. No, we're still trying. This is just a little experiment. Can it work without the gamepad? Because this is strange. Why is it working? Why is this working? This was not supposed to work, really. Open up system settings? Yeah, look, we need the gamepad.
Okay, I'm going to pair it.
Yeah, we have to gamepad. So, for many things that are... Why is my thing vibrating?
Because I want to pair it. Yeah,
You press it twice. He's connecting his own gamepad back to his own Wii U. Let me just boot up my Microsoft Surface and go to wiiu.hacks.guide and get my SD card.
Surface.
What is this? What is this?
Surface.
Well, how many things does he have?
Wait, this is the original sensor bar that comes with the Wii U. It is black.
Oh, actual. It's black thing. Okay. Well, and then here you have your original Wii remote. Or wait. All of these have batteries?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Well, why is the one not working? Hold up. Let me just take out those batteries because they may leak.
Ik heb ze nog ververst of recent.
Wait, what? Why does this not work? Hold up.
Misschien.
Oh wait. Oh no, the battery's dead. The battery. Wait, they're connected to the Wii U, but this one has.
Even op pair drukken.
This one has dead batteries.
Druk op de pair knop, okay?
No, this one's connected to your Wii U already, actually.
Okay.
But this one has dead batteries, so I'll take them out before they leak. Wait, okay. But I'll just boot up my Microsoft Surface. And just get the Wii U.hacks.guide running. Look at that. Who made that? Me, actually. Oh, he himself made it.
With my face.
Yeah. Also, you'll also get access to the thingy, and I'm just.
Rayman Legends.
Wait, no, hold up. I'm just gonna first of set some. Wait, why does my stylus always keep disappearing now?
Yeah, because it's small, man. Hey, small.
I'm just looking for my thing. Oh, there it is, next to my own.
But
no, wait, hold up.
Wat we mijn dagboek doen.
No, first off, there's something that I still need to set up. Gebruik de hotspot van je telefoon. What? Maak verbinding met H3113 voor internet. What? No, wait.
Mijn hoogte is 7 uur en 44 minuten gespeeld.
So long?
Bro.
Okay, but I'm first I'm gonna set up the overscan on the thing because that's actually set up wrong. You always have to set things up correctly.
Mag ik het zelf?
No.
Can I do it myself?
No. Okay, you can take a look at it.
Don't drop it.
No, obviously not. I'm not gonna drop it.
Okay.
Because otherwise you'll have to take a Wii U gamepad from another Wii U online, which is what I have to do. We're in the tele settings. We can now 1080p that thing, and just set that just perfect. Yeah, okay, that's about good enough.
Je moet even wat vragen aan mijn ouders nemen.
Okay. Okay, that's set up.
Mama.
Yes, I'm modding his Wii U.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm modding his Wii U and backing up very important parts of the NAND. No, you don't have to show it your iPhone.
Oh.
I just want this NAND to be backed up. This is what is shown on the TV. Wii U menu. Oh god, I hate my Motorola looking at bright things. Okay, well, we have the Wii U menu on the screen, but it's not loading anything because it's backing up its NAND.
Okay.
Okay, we're almost there.
Yeah, almost! I'm going to ask my father if he can put the fries in.
Yeah. Almost there. Complete. Rebooting. We described loading noises. I think we're done backing up. Yep. We definitely are. Ding 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 ding.
Nou, even de voicemail. Ja!
Nee, nog niet. Want ik ben nog bezig en ik ben nu weer net aan het opnemen.
Je doet het gewoon even open. Doe op X drukken.
Volgens mij moet je touchscreen worden gecalibreerd, Bram. Namelijk ga ik zo doen.
Nee hoor, dat hoeft toch niet. Ik heb hem toch gecalibreerd.
Nee, je hebt hem verkeerd gecalibreerd.
Oh, Friso, dat meen je niet.
Ja. Dus gaat hij weer. Oké. Helpt altijd. Doem 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 doem.
Zoom, 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 sahur.
We got flashing lights. Yes, I know. Oh wait. This Wii U is slow though.
No, you're.
Yeah.
Ah, ik heb wat gekocht.
Oh, wat dan?
Ik heb mijn Wii U gekocht ook. Nee, echt waar, ik heb nog een Wii U gekocht. Wat doe jij nou?
Ja, ik denk echt dat je scherm een klein beetje moet worden gecalibreerd.
Dress to impress with my baddies.
Why?
I don't know. Hey, ik heb Roblox geïnstalleerd. Misschien kan ik Roblox...
Oh, dat was dat geluid.
Ja. Oh, wat gaan we zien? Wat gaan we zien?
Dat is gewoon part van dit namelijk.
Ja, stom.
Dat komt omdat ik de X-knop weer gedrukt hou. En kijk, nu gaat hij wit namelijk. Ja, there we go. Aroma.
Hé, wat is aroma? Wat voor lekkere aroma?
Nee.
Heb je voor mij misschien een lekkere aroma?
Nee, dat komt omdat ik nu echt ga jailbreken.
Warning! Hey, ik wil die warning zien.
Press A to launch the Wii U menu.
Oké. Doe dat dan.
Sign in.
Look, I've got a tip on my
You
screen.
cannot calibrate.
Look, payload loader installer. That's the one I need.
Wat? Echt waar?
Ja.
Dat was lekker eten. Mag ik, maar wat ga je nu weer doen?
Dan ga ik nu dat persistent maken, de jailbreak.
Dus hij is nog niet gemod.
En nou pas.
Is hij nog niet gemod?
En ja, oké, nu gaat hij modden. Ja. Doe je dat?
Ik word gebeld door iemand.
Oh.
Voeg mij toe op WhatsApp.
Start. Zullen we accepteren? Waarom is dan een vrouw met... Hallo, ik wil met je praten. Voeg mij toe op WhatsApp.
Nou, gewoon niks mee doen. Gewoon blokkeren.
Ja, ik doe toch niks mee. Ik kan gewoon Roblox hierop doen, dat wist ik echt nooit.
Ja, op een iPhone 6e.
Oké, LA. Man, het scherm is echt heel klein.
Oh, ik heb hem eerst opgestart.
Oh, wat doe je?
Ik zet hem uit. Even gauw.
Ja.
Oh hoor.
Ik heb follow uitgezet.
Ja, dan moet je aan de camera echt letterlijk handmatig bedienen.
Het is infection, I guess. Lukt het?
Ja.
Bro, ik speel Roblox en hij was op 8% en nu nog steeds op 8%.
Ja.
Oh, wat was dat?
Oh, dat was jij.
Wat was het dan?
Een scheet.
Gescheet?
Finalizing setup. Ah. Dat is met controllers, een homebrew app store.
Oh, met de controller kan je ook een scheet laten.
Ja. Oh,
Wat was dat? Ja.
hij is nu modded. Hij is nu modded.
Wacht, dus het is gelukt.
Ja, dan moet ik alleen nog even de homebrew channel installeren en dan...
Dan mod.
Dan kunnen we het Pretendo network installeren.
En ook games toch? Kan je wel voor
Yes, dan ga ik Nosplay. Kijk, aroma updater.
Maar ook videogames toch?
Ja. Ja. Oké, ik ga dat nu doen. Now, I'm done modding this Wii U. I'm just gonna install Pretendo network for him off camera just to concentrate on everything.
Ja, dat is goed.
Yeah. Well, I think we've seen enough. You've seen my Wii U work. You've seen my friend's Wii U get modded.
You have seen me getting happy.
Yes. Look at this. We got things on the home screen now. Just wait for a bit. This one has a Hynix chip, high likely. So I made a backup just in case.